Happy 2025, beautiful souls! Thank you! I'm so grateful you're still here. Even though I've been on and off uploading content here, there's just so many things happen in 2024, and isa na dyan, I'm filming here in my new setup in our new home, and then I can't wait to share that with all of you. So gagawa kami ng vlog about purchasing our home, yung mga pinagdaanan namin and everything. But for today, dito muna tayo focus. I was brainstorming a few days ago. Ano ba yung perfect first video, comeback video for 2025 in our channel? And nakita ko, nireview ko lahat ng videos. Ang pinakamabenta natin na video na maraming natulungan, hanggang ngayon may nagme-message pa din sa akin about this, is all about vaginal care. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, sige, gawa tayo ng panibagong version naman. Kasi that was uploaded a few years ago. So nakita niyo nga sa title ng ating video for today, ano nga ba yung mga healthiest food and drinks na pwede niyong inumin at kainin to take care of your vagina and your area down there. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. The food and drinks that we put inside our body is very important. Nagkakaroon siya ng factor not only in our overall health, guys, but also in our reproductive health, in our vaginal health. And unang-una na dyan, very obvious, is to drink a lot of water. Alam naman natin, ang tubig ay isang paraan para makapaglabas ng toxins ng ating katawan. And when toxins are put out in our body the healthy way, lahat magpa-function well in our body, our pH levels and everything. And pH levels affect the smell and, you know, the moisture of our vagina. So, yun, magandang uminom tayo ng tubig araw-araw, 7 to 8 glasses of water. Cliche, I know, but sobrang importante yan, guys. When we drink adequate amount of water, our body is well hydrated, and also it will prevent dryness in our vaginal area. Not only that, ito very important to, guys, it can also prevent us from having UTI or urinary tract infection. Why? Because when we drink a lot of water, we pee normally, you know, and then lumalabas yung bacteria na nasa urethra natin. Another drink that I can recommend is cranberry juice. Mahilig ako sa cranberry juice, guys. Hindi ko pa alam tong mga bagay na to. Talagang cranberry juice drinker na ako. But not only they said na cranberry juice helps with UTI, but also it has antibacterial properties that keeps our vagina healthy, prevents us from having yeast infections and such. And also, guys, this one is yung acidic level niya, nung cranberry juice, it keeps our pH balance in check. So, kapag yung pH balance na ating vagina ay level, normal, ganyan, it will prevent us from having smelly odor down there and also yung mga infections. So, cranberry juice, guys, keep it in your diet. It's really, really good. Okay, sa food naman, ano ba yung mga pwede natin kainin that can help us with our vaginal health? Number one na dyan, mga high-fiber foods like berries, whole grains, like yung mga whole wheat breads, oatmeal, and also barley. Maisingit ko lang, guys, I'm drinking this JC Organic Barley. Ito yung pinakamasarap na barley drink na natikman ko talaga. I tried so many. This one, hindi siya sa panlasa. Hindi siya lasang damo, hindi siya mapait. It's very, very good. It kind of tastes like matcha, actually. So, I actually drink this almost every day, not only for my vaginal health, but for my energy, for good health. And if you're interested sa barley na to, guys, please contact me on my Instagram page or Facebook. I will be happy to talk to you more about this. Going back to our topic, so yung mga high-fiber foods na binanggit ko na yan, guys, you can research more about more high-fiber food or mga supplements or fruits that you can take. But they can help protect against bad bacteria, so like yeast infection, bacterial vaginosis, ganyan. So, you know, there's really nothing wrong naman if we eat them. And in my case, I really tried my best to keep those in my diet. Actually, ever since before naman, whole grain na talaga ako. I love oats, ganyan, and I love fruits. And also, you know, ito bago sa ano ko, I've been doing this for a year and a half, the barley habit, every day, almost every day. Also, probiotics, so in form of yogurt, soy, miso. You can also research more about that, kung ano yung probiotics na pwede mong inumin, kainin according sa panlasa mo or sa gusto mo, but is very, very useful in protecting us against mga bad bacteria na tumutubo sa ating vaginal area. Yun yung mga nabanggit ko kanina, yeast infection, pinaka-common in UTI. May I remind you, everybody, sa mga binanggit ko kanina, yung mga pagkain tsaka inumin, it can help us prevent to have those bacterial growth or infection in our vaginal area, but it's not a treatment. So, pag meron kayong nararamdaman na pangangati, pananakit sa area na yan, it's best to go to your doctor, to your OB-GYN, para sila mismo ang magbigay sa inyo ng proper treatment, okay? Kasi yung mga drinks naman na yan, mga pagkain na yan, it's not a 100% cure. Sabi ko nga kanina, prevention, di ba? So, prevention is better than cure. So, ako, I always make sure that I include those in my diet. I drink a lot of water. I love cranberry from the beginning of time pa naman, and yogurt. So, you know, these are just tips that I actually do myself na ma-advise ko sa inyo. Kasi ako, hindi talaga ako nag-a-advise na hindi ko pa nagagawa or natatry sa sarili ko. But those are the things that I've already included in my diet, and I feel like it really helped me have a very healthy vaginal health. So, redundant, but yes, alam niyo na yung sinasabi ko. So, that's it for our video today, everyone. Oh my god, thank you for watching. I know I've been rambling a lot in this video, but I'll do better next time. Thank you for watching, and these are the tips that I can actually recommend para sa ating mga kababaihan, kasi very important na manatili yung malusog na pangangalaga natin sa ating vagina or sa area natin down there. And these are the tips that I've already tried. Alam niyo naman, guys, hindi talaga ako nag-recommend na hindi ko pa nasusubukan para masabi ko talagang nag-work siya in my case. So, pero ito naman ay pwede sa mga kababaihan in any age. If you want to take care of your health down there in an early age, best, diba? Maganda yun, guys. But thank you for watching, and please comment down below, guys, ano pa yung mga topics na gusto nyong i-discuss natin. So, I'm 42 years old, so I feel like I've already experienced a lot of things that I can, you know, give advice about as much as I can. So, just comment away, and thank you for watching this video. Ang dami pa rin nagme-message sa akin about yeast infection, vaginal health. Hindi ko lang masagot isa-isa talaga lahat, but I'll try my best to answer you guys through making videos. So, ayan, i-end ko talaga yung video. Thank you for watching, everybody. Until our next video. Bye!